Oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache.
गोवा एक भारत का छोटा सा राज्य है और दुनिया भर के सारे टूरिस्ट यहाँ पे घूमने आते हैं। गोवा में मानसून्स में बहुत सारे वाटरफॉल दिखाई देते हैं और मेरे विश लिस्ट में ऐसा ही एक वाटरफॉल बहुत सालों से पड़ा था और वो है वालपोई का सावोर्डेम वाटरफॉल और हम निकल पड़े ये वाटरफॉल को एक्सप्लोर करने।
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it's...
So friends, we have reached KTC bus stand. I feel this is the bus which will take us to North Goa to this waterfall. So let's go.
Seriously?
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
So I have taken the last seat of the bus and I'm enjoying the view. After 1.5 hour journey, we have stopped here to have some tea and breakfast. So finally I'm done with my breakfast. I had a plate of upma and a cup of coffee. Now we are heading back to our destination. It will take around 30 to 40 minutes to reach Valpoi.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
So finally we have reached our destination. So it's 30 minutes walking distance from here to the waterfall.
Unnecessary stuff, yeah?
if you're coming during the rainy season, just be careful while walking. It's a kind of a slippery slope. Finally we reached. Last 10-20 minutes of walking. Just see the view. So going at the base of the waterfall, you have to be very careful and you have to wear a life jacket. So Denver, our group coordinator, took me to a secret passage on the very top, the head of the waterfall. And believe me guys, the view I saw was amazing.
Slow steps, huh?
So after swimming for nearly 2 hours, it's time to head back to the parking area wherein we'll have a lunch. Okay. So we have come to have a lunch here.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.